Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if it's not, well, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm sharing another awesome thrift haul. I found so many good items and it was candlestick galore. I got so many candlesticks to show you. It's almost unbelievable how many I found on that day. So let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to start with all the candle holders I found at the thrift store in one trip. It was pretty amazing. So I'm going to start with these two little wooden candle holder. They are solid wood and I paid, oh, I can't remember, but I believe it's $2.99 or $3.99 for both. So these are a must-have. They're so cute. They're really tiny. I love them. I found these two interesting wood candle holders for $3.99. They actually look like tree trunks, though they're pretty unique. I don't think I'm going to touch these candle holders. I'm probably going to do a DIY with these, but I think I'm going to leave this intact. I'm not sure. What do you think? Would you leave these as is or would you DIY these? I got two of these. I love all the details in it. This will definitely be a DIY, but I think these will turn out fantastic when I'm done with these. I paid, let's see, $2 for these candlesticks. I got this big, very shiny, that's gonna go for sure, candle holder for a bigger candle. I paid $1 for this, so this will definitely be a nice DIY. I don't think this was a candle holder, but I'm going to use it as a candle holder. I think there was another piece maybe going on top and it's missing, but I picked it up anyway. I paid $1 for this, so I'm going to come up with an idea for this, this kind of base, I guess. So I'll DIY this for sure. I got these beautiful, they look like pewter. I'm not sure what they are. They're a metal, some kind of a metal. I paid $4.99 for both of these. I don't think I'm going to change the color of these. I think these are very nice the way they are. These are great fillers for shelves or anywhere in your home, really. These I'm definitely not touching. They are absolutely stunning. Look at these beauties. I paid $3.99 for these. And look at them. They are so gorgeous. They just need a good cleaning and a good shine, and they are all good to go. And I also found in the same kind of tone these beautiful little one, and look at the little bead detail on the bottom. These will definitely stay as is. They are gorgeous. I paid $4.99 for the two of these. Look how cute these are. I paid $4.99 for both of them, and they've got the glass top, and I'm not sure if you can find little dinty tiny candles like that. I think you can, but even just as is on the shelf for an extra piece of decor, these are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm not going to do anything with these. I love the fact that they're kind of you know, they look very old and washed down, and I love that look. So these will stay as is. What do you think of this piece? I got this little candle holder. I bought this for my friend, and this is a pottery piece, and it broke on the travel. This was gorgeous, the perfect color for my friend. I paid $3.99, and it's got a signature out back, and it broke on me. So I think I might be able to glue it, but it's missing a little piece up here, so I might have to fill that with some filler and do a DIY with this. I don't think I have much choice at this point. And these are the two last candlestick I got on this trip. Look at these beauties. I love all the detail that are in these candle holders. These are not wood, I don't believe. Yes, they are. These are all solid wood. Bonus. So these will definitely get an updo. Look at all the beautiful details on these. These were, this color, it's really not suitable. I don't think I need to brighten this up a little bit, but I'm gonna first start by sanding them and redoing these two pieces. I paid $7.99 each piece, and I think it's well worth the $7.99. You pay a lot more in a store if you buy candle holders like this, all solid wood. So that's a score. Look at this beautiful little trail of ducks. This needs to be freshened up and painted, but this will be beautiful on a shelf, especially for spring or a farmhouse look. And I'm gonna DIY this for sure. I paid $5.99 for this piece, but I think it was well worth it. What do you think? I got this cute little teapot. I paid $1, but I thought it was super cute for a tier tray. It's just put a little flower in there, maybe just a little greenery of some sort. This is too cute. It says home sweet home on the front of it. I got two of these beautiful wall hanging ceramic bowl. They are gorgeous the way they are if you like this kind of decor. These are not suitable for me, so I'm going to DIY these two beautiful pots. Believe it, I paid $5 for these pots, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to do these over for a resale, but like I said, they are already beautiful the way they are. But let me know what you think. Should I sell them as is, or should I do them over? What do you think? I picked up this little bag of goodies. It's got all kinds of little wooden letters and beads and stuff. But the reason why I bought it is because it's got these little rolling pin, and these are perfect for tier tray done over. So I'm gonna open this up and have a look at it with you guys. Look at all these little rolling pins. Perfect. These are all solid wood, so I'm going to take the time to sand these and redo these over for a DIY. And these are so cute. Even putting these in a little dish all done up, that would be so cute, a farmhouse look. So stay tuned for these little beauties. Also in that bag, it's all kinds of little wood pieces. I don't know if I'll use these, but some of these probably. It's got a little stick of some sort. I could probably use that somehow. Anyways, there's lots of little wood pieces and beads in there. So I will have to look and see what's suitable. I paid $3.99 for the full bag. I got this beautiful basket. This is perfect for a farmhouse look. I'm gonna do this over. This will be a complete DIY. I paid $4.99 for this beautiful piece, and it will be really pretty by the time I'm done with this. I got two of these clocks. They are all solid wood, and I'm going to open this with you guys. This will be a complete makeover. This still has the natural wood on it. It's intact, which is perfect. Okay, $10 for this piece. But I think it's worth it at the end. Even if I don't sell it, this will make a perfect gift for a friend for Christmas time or a birthday. And what I really like is that it's got 4 planks of wood with it. And these planks of wood actually slide in here like so. So I was thinking that it would be interesting to do 4 seasons, since I have 4 planks, one for winter, spring, summer, and fall. How cute. And these don't need to be hung on the wall. They stand straight on a table. And I think these are absolutely perfect. And then you just slide this out and change with the season. And also I could probably on the other side, season on one side and then occasions on the other. So winter, Christmas, spring, Easter, summer could be Canada Day for us, and fall could be Halloween or Thanksgiving on the other side. So I think this will be a very nice piece to do over. And I not only got 1, but I got 2. Score. Let me know what you think of this idea with the planks done up for all season. If you see one of these, I've never seen one of these before, but if you do, this is a really good idea, I think. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I got this frame for $5. It's not wood, it's plastic, but that's okay. It was a really good price and it's in mint shape. So I'm definitely going to be doing a DIY with this frame. So stay tuned. You want to see, I have a really good idea in my head, and you want to see this. I found this beautiful bowl, solid wood, for $2.99. This is really pretty. This is going to stay as is. This is perfect, just the way it is. Last but not least, look at this little wooden bench. I paid $4.99 for this piece, and I have a really, really good idea for this piece. You're thinking, what is she going to do with this little bench? Well, stay tuned. This will be a complete makeover, and it will be amazing when it's done. So I'm a little bit excited about this piece. This top here is kind of crooked, so I'm going to completely get rid of that part, and we will go from there. All the little stickers, everything's going to go, and this will be an amazing piece when I'm done. Well, that's it for this thrift store haul. Lots of candle holder, lots of interesting items on this trip. I can't wait to get my hands on all of these. There's not enough hour in a run of a day for me to complete everything that I want to do. But it is what it is. So if you liked my items and you like this video, please give me the big thumbs up. This really helps me grow and my channel. I want to hear all your comments down below. Which one of these items was your favorite or a must-have, or you think it's going to be the best thrift flip? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel and you like these type of videos, well, today's a perfect day to hit that subscribe button. So until next time, folks, you have yourself a wonderful day.